This spaghetti right here is not your regular. It is spicy, it is savory, a little sweet, and comes together in no time at all. An ideal meal to put together for those weeknights.
Oh my yum! For recipes from around the globe.
So no messing about, let's jump right into the recipe. So the star of the show today is this Korean Gochujang. You can find this in your Asian grocery store or in your supermarket in some places. And we're going to be making use of some onion. Today we are not measuring anything. I'm just eyeballing everything. You know, like I said, it's those weeknight meal that you just want to put together for the family quickly. I'm making use of half of an onion here and just 1 clove of garlic. You can increase that if you so wish, but this is all I'm using. While I'm slicing my onion and garlic, I would like to use this opportunity to welcome you to my channel again. If you're my existing subscriber, thank you so much. Really appreciate you. Thank you for your amazing support. And if you're new here, warm welcome to you as well. Sit back, kick back and relax, and let's enjoy this ride together. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. I am sure you're going to love it here. This right here is a staple in Korean cuisine. It is used in everything and very versatile. If you're not adventurous with food, you're missing. Honestly, I don't know how to eat the same thing all the time. Anyway, you may want to look into this gochujang. It is very versatile. The main ingredients of the gochujang is red chili powder. It has some glutinous rice, some fermented soybeans. You know, anything fermented is good for your gut as well. It has salt. It is rich and deep in flavor. Just a mix of spiciness and savory. I started by adding some coconut oil into the pan, and I'm going to be sauteing my onion and garlic in this. So I'm making the sauce first, and after making the sauce, I'll make the spaghetti and we're going to put them together. So I came in with my gochujang. I made use of 2 tablespoons of gochujang. I suggest if you're trying this recipe, you should taste the gochujang first. That will give you an idea of how much you want to add into your meal. It is not overly spicy, so do not worry because it is very rare. Some people may be scared. Do not be scared, okay? So I fried my gochujang with my onion for some time until my oil begins to separate. Next, I came in with some cooking cream and I added it into that. Make use of as much or as little cooking cream as you want. For me, I came in with some water. I didn't want to use just cooking cream, you know, just trying to reduce the calorie and the fat intake. So you're going to mix everything together to make sure it is well combined and you're happy with how much sauce you have. Next, I came in with my homemade meatballs. Okay, the link is up in the screen if you'd like to know how I made these meatballs. And the good thing is that you can freeze them and just bring them out for days like this. If you don't have meatballs, you can use chicken, you know, maybe leftover roast chicken, beef, or even a can of tuna will do this job. Okay, so I mixed everything together and I allowed the meatballs to simmer a little bit in the sauce. After my meatballs are simmered a little bit in the sauce, I came in with some oregano. At this point, I suggest that you taste your sauce because it should be tasting super delicious at this point. But please do not finish it as soup because if you do, it'll be nothing to add your spaghetti to, okay? I decided to add some black pepper as well, just for that extra kick because I told you the gochujang is a bit spicy, but not very spicy if you like spicy food. So my sauce is ready and I'm going to set it aside. Next, I boiled some water to cook my spaghetti, added some salt to that and came in with my spaghetti. And I'm going to allow my spaghetti to boil according to the instruction on the packet. Let me make a confession while the spaghetti is cooking. You know, I used to break my spaghetti in half when I cooked them in the past. But apparently this is a taboo in Italy. And my kids did not like it too. So I have changed. I've stopped breaking my spaghetti in half. So here the spaghetti is ready. It's time to put everything together. I came in with some extra fresh chilies because I just love my spicy food and this wasn't giving me what I wanted. So I came in with some extra spicy chilies and black pepper just because I wanted that kick. Next, I added my spaghetti into the sauce. At this point, everything is kind of ready. Mix everything together. The fire is off at this point. To be honest, if not for videos and the explanation that I'm trying to make, this meal come together super quickly. It is very easy to make. It is minimal cutting and slicing, and everything just comes together nicely and quickly. So if you have two stoves, you can be making your pasta on one side and be making your sauce on the other side. That's if you can multitask. At this point now, I turn my heat to low heat again, just to make sure everything comes together and warms together. Then I came in with some mozzarella cheese. Optional, if you want, you can do that. If you do not want it, you can skip this point, but I just wanted to do that. So added that in, gave it a quick mix, and that is it. The pasta or spaghetti is ready. Delicious, quick to make, spicy, a little sweet, savory, packed with flavor, and the meatball extra delicious as well. I hope you have enjoyed watching today's video. Do let me know what you think in the comment section. Do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, do not forget to help me to share, and please subscribe if you've not already done so. And I will be seeing you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.